Hi everyone, I'm Jaja, your bathroom birdie from my homeware. Lots of people ask me,
what's a budget for bathroom project in the Sydney Reno?
well, it depends on the purpose that you renovate for. Let me give you an idea. If you just want to freshen up an old bathroom before renting it out, you don't need too much. Around $1,000 to $2,000 can cover a toilet, a basin, a shower screen, and the basic fittings. Go with chrome tapware and bathroom accessories. They are simple, stylish, and easy to clean. If it's your own home and you would like to have something nice to last for years, then $3,000 to $5,000 will get you more. You can add a freestanding bath and choose taps and accessories in colors like brushed nickel, gunmetal, or even gold. Aussie brands like Noriko or Fianza have good sets that match well and look stylish without breaking the bank. Also, someone asked me,
how much do luxury bathroom cost?
In Sydney, the high end usually starts from 20 grand, and there is really no limit. At this level, you can swap a normal toilet for a smart one, add a freestanding spa bath, and go for stone basins with unique pattern. Tapware can be smart or touch-free, giving a high-tech feel. You might also have heated towel rail, wall heating, or even warm floors under your feet. Showers get fancy too, with twin heads and in-wall jets for a 360 degrees massage. With this budget, you can pick top names like Cola or Mia, and so on. It's not just a bathroom anymore. It feels like your own private resort at home. So, that's the range. How much you would like to put into your bathroom reno for bathroom fixtures? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you'd like to see more bathroom products in Sydney, come to visit us at my homeware showroom. I'd love to show you around.